Mga coffee plantation na to guys, oh, side by side. Puro mga kape yung tanim nila. And Cork is...
This place is the largest coffee producer in India.
Whole India. Halos na dadaanan namin puro mga kapihan.
Yeah, you can see that both side coffee plants are.
Tell me, my baby, what you're looking for. If it's the stars in the night sky, I can show you more. Just look up into the sky and pray for something. Maybe it's you and I, and that's all I'm saying. Things some time. We're on our way to somewhere. 'Cause baby, with you I'd go anywhere. Baby, with you I'd go anywhere. Baby, with you
Parang kagaya lang din sa Uti and Kunur. Ha? Dati na? Parang Uti feels. Same hill station din naman kasi. Dito na kami. So we have booked a homestay apartment. So this is going to be our home for two nights and 3 days. Uso kasi dito yung mga homestay lang guys, rather than hotels talaga. Hi! Hi, Auntie! Ang nice naman pala. Hey, it's nice. Slowly lang ha. Ang nice niya. Wait there, side. So ito yung aming magiging tirahan dito sa Coorg. Room tour, house tour. Dito yung sala. And this is one room. Oh, nice! Look at the view. Look at the view, guys. It's so nice. Overlooking the city view.
Thank you.
Nice. Next. Wow, nice. Ang linis. Tinlo sa ilang ano ma, CR. Ang linis.
Yeah.
Next. Mirror. Next. Nami, di pang sang view pala. Tawanin pala. Next room. Ito yung magiging room nila ni Mama. Inangkina namin yung unang room. This is their room because ours is the first room. Hey, nice.
This is also like attached.
Nice mo. Ang linis. Tapos meron din naman silang view. Kaya lang backside view sila. Doon sa amin yung front view.
From here, Mama can see our car also.
Ha? Diyan na nga tan car. No. Diyan kami nagpark, oh. Pwede na. There.
Maybe we have to wash your feet.
Wash your feet first. Ang nice, guys. Ang nice. And this
That's why it was smelling
kitchen.
so good.
Kitchen.
Not the balcony.
A balcony. Ay, walang kitchen. No kitchen.
The kitchen is below. Below they said now that warm water and all those things you can take from below.
Sa baba. Walang kitchen dito na level. Ano lang talaga to, guys? Parang hotel lang talaga siya na bahay style. Wala lang kitchen. Nice. So, how's my booking? Nagrereklamo siya kasi doon kami nagpark, diba? Tapos pababa pa yung bahay and then hindi pa sementado yung daanan. Sabi niya, ano yung pinook mo? But this nice. Nag-toothbrush na sa. Kali lang, tawati mga nami, dimang sang view mga ma? Mario? Nice. Ito yung aming magiging room. Yung view namin. Nice. Yung dalawa. Nililinis ng paa. Nagiging kulot yung kanyang buhok. Nice room. Kulot na. Be, let me see your pretty face, birthday girl. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, you asleep na? Ay, wait. Sleep na. Mas-sleep na siya. Daddy, ay, the birthday girl will sleep na, ay. Ay? Ang nice ng view talaga. Oh, that's Anibaya.
Happy birthday, Anibaya.
Happy birthday.
No, you have to say thank you. Anibaya is greeting you.
Thank you, Anibaya.
See, tell Anibaya what you have seen. Elephant, say.
Yes.
How big
How
was
big
the elephant?
Wow, big elephant.
Big. How many?
What do people party is that there?
See, 10 elephants are there.
10 elephants you have seen. Ay, gan pud yan.
Merong isang tourist spot dito. Yung tinatawag nilang Raja Seat. Malapit lang dito, walking distance lang. And then, what is that other attractions we're going to see?
Now only that's it.
Raja Seat? Walking distance lang yung Raja Seat dito, guys. So, lalakarin lang namin. Habulin namin yung show na magsa-start daw, sabi namin ng 7. Ewan ko, light show daw or... What is that show, Daddy?
Water fountain.
Ay, water fountain show.
It's already 7. I don't know if we'll catch it or not.
We'll see. Dito yung Raja Seat. Yung aming homestay dyan sa baba. Ay, wait lang pang. Let's go. Lapit lang man ah. Gawing takladon lang. We're here. Raja Seat Garden, Madikeri. Sabi ko kuha na ng ticket. Ampay ni Mama. Ang dami pang tao, no? Kasi 7:30 pa magsa-start yung show. Dito siguro gaganapin yung fountain show, oh. Ayun, aking mag-amaan doon, oh. Ato, ho? Gamuni-muni sila ni Mishka Dua. May mga amusement park din pala dito, oh. O si Manong Blue, oh.
Oh, Manong Blue.
Yan eh. Na-nebulizer, naubogoro. Hidlaw na si Papa kay Blue.
Ano ka, naubo? Naubo ka to?
Mishi, there's big elephant, oh look. Pakita ni Mama kay Blue ang elephant, ah. Picturean natin sila para meron silang remembrance. Tindog ka mo ni Papa, Ma. Oo, paalangan eh. Malamig dito ngayon, guys. Da ka mo sa kilid ni Papa Dua. Na naman na. 1, 2, 3, smile. Dahil lang. Steady. Andira 1, 2, 3. Meron ding zipline dito, guys. Oh, ang haba. Pero close na ata sila ngayon. Ari ho. Ang bali abi ara sila kuno sa atubangan sang zebra, asang giraffe. Ara ang giraffe. Oh. Merong mga Bambi. Bambi deer. Hindi visible, guys. So, plano namin na bumalik dito bukas ng umaga. Makikita mo yung view ng Coorg. Kaya lang gabi na. Sige. Let's go. Let's go. I think anytime soon magsa-start na yung fountain show. Kasi 7:30 na. Yung anak namin, I want to go home na daw. You want to go home na? What do you want? Aba. Like baby. Like baby.
Sit on the sleepers. Sit on the sleepers.
Sit under the sleepers.
Keep hands on the
prices. Maghahanap kami ng ano guys. Maghahanap kami ng kung saan kami pwede makabili ng pagkain. Parang walang mga kainan dito na side. This one, Han? No? Bar and restaurant. Parang ang liit naman ito. Ha? Nothing na? Here? Should we check? I know. We have actually paper plate.
Homemade wine. I'm sorry? Homemade wines. Wine?
Daddy, you want wine ko, no? No.
What?
Wine?
Wine? Which wine?
Ask her.
Which wine is there?
Ginger, beetroot,
Papaya one.
passion fruit.
Papaya wine?
One wine.
Wine? Okay,
Some small bottle is there or big one?
There is ginger, right?
Small, 70
750 ml. Miss bottle wine is there. Okay, you can try one.
Yes. Ginger, maybe it's good for your cough.
Whichever is good, we don't know. So whichever is good, you can give it.
Beetroot and small chili.
Okay.
What is
What is the price for that?
250.
Okay, you can give me.
It's been a long time. Haven't seen my friends in quite a while. Wasting all my life to stay inside. You could take me down to the west side. Long as you're around, I'ma be alright. Show me what it's like to be by your side. I'm like, ooh, high underneath the city lights with you. High, running around with nothing left to do. Taking all my dreams, make them all come true. Take a part of me and it's all brand new. High, underneath the city lights with you. With you. Baby, don't rush. I don't ever seem to feel this much. If you wanna try, we could take it slow. Cause you never know, it's inevitable that one of us is gonna fall.
Okay, let's try one with that. Wait. This is not cold.
Try sila ni Papa ng ano. Wine. It's wine. It's for Daddy and Lolo.
Come here. Is it alcoholic or non-alcoholic?
Ah,
Non-alcoholic, no? Wait, Krishna, wait. ये कौन सा ginger है? Sugar?
Sugar cane.
sugar cane.
And?
Beet leaf.
And which is good as per you?
Chili.
Chili. This is chili, right? This is chili.
Bakit tinawa ng sapa?
Chili is very sharp.
It's okay.
Ay, no.
Try now. No. You try once, na? It's sharp, little sharp.
Ah.
And
Mimi, Daddy yo.
wait, Krishna.
That is yummy. This one is
This one is?
there.
Okay.
Okay.
Ano ba?
Where's the car?
No, that is.
I think this one.
Ano pa? Papa will like the sugar cane.
It's the sugar cane.
Sugar cane. Papa sugar cane. That one only. Ano pa? Next. Ano yung sugar cane? Kahang.
Sugar cane,
Sugar cane yan. Nag-isip mo.
which is good. This one is fruit.
Daddy.
Wait, mister.
Ted. Mga ganun naman. Nanang alcoholic mo na mo.
This is ginger. Ginger is also very strong. Huh?
Yeah, it's strong. So which one is light?
I think passion fruit. Huh?
Homemade ito siguro ng owner nitong guys, homestay apartment. Hindi na sila makahindi kasi pina-free taste
This was
sila.
the best fruit punch.
The best among the rest.
Imagine the chili, how it would have tasted. Amazing beggar.
You get yours, Zach? You try yours also.
I will drink one glass. One glass. So today,
Aslom na lang gid. Ha?
one glass today and one glass tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
We'll finish it.
Amatamaton?
Homemade na nila.
Oo, homemade.
Kaya hindi lang ang
Shot na mama. Wine naman to guys, non-alcoholic. Ano to? Passion fruit.
House my homemade.
Homemade na passion fruit wine. Oh, shot mama.
sa ilong mo.
Ha?
Ito kung tara. Rutong ta. Kaya siguro daw ilaw pa yan lang.
Langaw.
Daw ilaw.
Bago pa lang siguro. Diba, you have to ferment it like how many years. So maybe this one is just a day.
May usap ko hindi ko
Subong na ni pang, subong na ni ba sa Ha?
It took 50 rupees. What is it?
Hindi mas 1 week lang lahaw.
Ano malimot yan?
Mainit? It's good also. Kaso si Papa Galiu nag-request. Papa requested for one more.
Kuana.
One more naman.
Your turn. Shot. Bottoms up. It's vinegar, apple cider. Ah, apple cider.
Ha?
Daw apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar. Yeah, it's apple cider vinegar. Sinabi lang nilang wine. Apple cider
Hindi may pwede yung panapit sabihin.
Hindi ako kuanang sa tubon din na.
Wish ka will say good night to Lolo and Lola. Good night, Lolo.
Good night.
Love to Lolo.
Good night.
Love Lolo.
Lola, tutulog. Yuya.
Love Lolo. Si Lula sa banyo pa. You wait for Lula, nanay. Gasi ka toothbrush mo sa mama. Hindi ka mag-electric fan, pang?
May tikpan ka na.
Ara, number 1. Then sa mang? Ara, pandara ang switch.
Extra blanket is here.
Lab na Lula. Mishi!
Extra blanket is here.
Naglab na sa